little guy.
Kachow.
Good chica. Good chica. Good chica.
Is that Bugs Bunny? What a creepy bear!
Are you cold?
Yeah.
How cold? Freezing. I caught some action for sure.
Look at this taxi! Except for the little ones that are like...
But was it worth it?
Yeah, it was.
Yeah. Did you see the one get stuck? The hydraulic car?
I thought he was just lifting his trunk.
There what? No, I think he got stuck because it was stuck that way the whole rest of the way down.